Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today is Fish Fry Friday, everybody. Hey, we look forward to Fridays. Yes, we do, because we have our nice, wonderful cornmeal here, seasoned with perfection, and our scrimps as well. Grandmother's scrimps. Yeah, they scrimps because they bigger than little shrimps. Boy, this is how we do it. We season it like our old school now. If you guys know us right now on our YouTube channel, we always do our old school seasoning. Okay, if you want to look that up, look up old school fried pork chops and fried chicken and all that. We use our old school seasonings as always, but our cornmeal is very special. It's not like an average regular cornmeal, but we do it right, everybody. We do it with flavor throughout, so it can look at that nice plump shrimp right there. That's what I'm talking about, flavor. You know what? These are very mouth-watering, and they are delicious. I mean, everybody eats them up. Especially on Friday nights. I don't know what it is. Everybody always goes, come on Friday, you cooking fish? I'll be like, nah. They know because they can smell it a mile away. You're right about that. But yeah, that gets on my nerves. But anyway, yeah, they need to chip in on it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is our wonderful, perfect fried fish basa right here. We like basa fish because it's not fishy. Yeah, I don't like fishy. I don't either. That tilapia is just too much. And this is our homemade blue cheese salad dressing, everybody. Go on our YouTube channel, check it out, and we have for vegans as well. Just simply mouth-watering. And we have our Mama Soul Kitchen Cookbook that's available on Amazon.com, along with our Just Desserts Child for the Sweet Tooth only, available as well. Happy holidays!